Tech Hub Freetown because the institution has met their standard set.
I want to congratulate you very, very heartily for your initiative and your drive to fill in the skills gap. No country can develop without the industries, and the industries need all the innovation.
The emergence of Knowledge Network Solution Tech Hub is not just limited to improving digital proficiency and business management skills of youth, but to also provide solutions to emerging challenges in the country.
There's a lady in one of the classes, after doing the UX UI and the website design, she opted, says she want to do a website for schools. So we encourage her. We're partner with Innovate Sierra Leone. So when we have some of these coming up with their ideas, we discuss with Innovate Sierra Leone where they can see how they can incubate them.
Whilst commending the administration for reaching such a milestone, Dr. Issa Fofana as well reminded them that accreditation is not a future, it is rather a springboard to reach the future.
Also underscores the institution's commitment to providing the resources, support and opportunities necessary for students to excel in their careers. While today is a day of celebration, it is also a reminder that the work does not end here.
With modern teaching and learning facilities, Knowledge Network Solution Tech Hub Freetown expresses commitment to offer quality education in a bid to produce job creators and not job seekers. Emmanuel Samura, Slbc.
As part of revamping the public service architecture in line with the Big Five, the Civil Service Training College has completed a training for dozens of office assistants who were drawn from various MDAs. The midweek-long training focused on records management, civil service code, basic communication skills, and performance management, among others. Suri Kamara witnessed the certification ceremony and now reports.
The training targeted 40 office assistants under Grade 5 from various ministries, departments and agencies. The one-week exercise at the Civil Service Training College was designed to improve the knowledge of participants on records management, dispatch, documentation and civil service code, administrative support, health and safety, and performance management, among others. Maureen Wright from the Ministry of Public Administration
because it's taking us to another. Like for instance, our principal in this college made a statement. Office assistants to director, other higher grade in the service.
Learned a lot about this training. Then this training need me to understand the difference between public servants and civil servants. So this training gave me another, let me say, I will use this training also to transform myself and also my colleagues in the office.
New principal of the Civil Service Training College, Dr. Victor Massakoy, who is passionate about revamping the public service architecture in line with the government's Big Five, said this was just one of his first initiatives as principal. He outlined a series of ambitious plans for 2025.
There's a plan that we're putting on together right now. So it's going to be a master plan, a training master plan. And that plan is going to speak to both customized training for specific MDAs and general training. But the thinking of the minister right now is to ensure that hopefully at the end of the day, whatever training we offer here, whatever training we give to civil servants or public servants in general, will count towards promotion, will count towards other benefits within the organization.
Revamping the public service architecture sits as the fourth pillar of government's development agenda, known as the Big Five Game Changers. It aims to ensure a more efficient, professional and merit-based civil service in Sierra Leone. Suri Kamara, SLBC News, Freetown.
A total of 174 pupils and students across Sierra Leone have been awarded the prestigious 2024 Chinese Ambassador Grant and Scholarship aimed at cushioning the economic challenges of their educational pursuits. The Grant and Scholarship program, spearheaded by the People's Republic of China, was officially presented by His Excellency Wang Qing, the Chinese ambassador to Sierra Leone, at a ceremony held at the Chinese Embassy 29 Sport Loop, Wilberforce, Freetown. Jonathan Turner was there.
The beneficiaries, comprising 144 pupils and 30 university students, expressed deep gratitude for the financial assistance, which is set to ease the burden of education-related expenses in their various schools and universities. The initiative underscores the long-lasting commitment of China to strengthening education and human capital development in Sierra Leone. Ambassador Wang Qing emphasized the importance of education as a cornerstone for national development. He encouraged the beneficiaries to make the most of the opportunity.
This helped to enhance the mutual understanding and traditional friendship between China and Sierra Leone. Looking ahead to next year, China will continue to prioritize its education as one of the key areas for our practical cooperation.
Both Ministers of Basic and Higher Education, Conrad Saki and Dr. Hajar Matulai Wui, commended the People's Republic of China for its consistent support to Sierra Leone's education sector. They as well encouraged the beneficiaries to fully utilize the resources provided to excel academically and to give back to society in the future.
We must also remember that the work of nation building requires collective effort. So to parents, guardians and educators, your support and encouragement are crucial to nurturing the potential of our young minds. To our students, this opportunity is a stepping stone. Use it to dream big, to aim high, and to contribute to the transformation of Sierra Leone.
Use these opportunities wisely. Remain steadfast in the pursuit of knowledge, and remember that the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. As we celebrate your achievements, I challenge you to think beyond yourselves. Ask, how can I use my education to transform not only mine, but the lives of others?
The recipients in turn expressed gratitude for the scholarship and pledged to utilize the opportunity well.
I will work more on my studies to make sure that I make Sierra Leone proud of me.
School, and we are going to start going to school on January. So before that, after receiving the scholarship, I'm going to buy my textbooks. And
the Chinese Ambassador Grant and Scholarship Program is an annual initiative designed to strengthen the bilateral ties between Sierra Leone and China while empowering Sierra Leonean students to pursue their educational goals. For Slbc News, Jonathan Turner reporting.
Cambia District Students Association, CATSA, has organized a symposium for Cambia students from different universities in Sierra Leone to discuss the challenges and importance of relocating to urban cities in pursuit of education. The symposium was held at the multi-purpose building at Freetown College campus. Bangura was there.
The symposium, held at the Freetown College Multipurpose Hall, saw a host of Cambia students and alumni of the association to discuss on the challenges faced by students who relocated from the provinces to urban cities like Freetown, Bo, and Makeni in pursuit of education. Speaking on the purpose of the symposium, Chairperson CADSA Freetown College Chapter, Eunice Sapo Kagbo, said that the students there met with key challenges in trying to further their studies, and as such organized a symposium to learn and gain meaningful knowledge from seniors that have undergone similar hurdles but made it in the end.
It is very clear. It's not just about bringing our elders together. It is about strengthening the spirit of brotherhood amongst ourselves. It is about showing a kind of reflection and hope that we can as well do it someday, because if they have passed through these challenges as students and today they are in different and better positions, that is a reflection for us.
Several alumni of CADSA took their juniors through their academic journey, encouraging them to focus on their key motive of being admitted into universities to overcome their present situations.
Fix your eyes on the ball. The ball is, I came here not only to attain a degree, but to achieve my dreams.
You have to know that you are coming from a zone where things are not okay. That is number 1. 2, you stay focused. 3, work hard, study hard.
When I was in junior school, I used to ask myself, given my background, given the financial capacity of my dad, is it possible for me to be educated beyond junior school? Today, I'm here as Dr. Lamini Kamara.
President Cambia District Students Association, Fode Fofana, said that it has been challenging for them as students to advocate for their needs.
Actually, somehow challenging because to explain your problems, especially to the alumni, and at the end they see the reasons why they will help you, somehow challenging. But we can try our level best because it is non-profitable organizations, which means we set this organization not to make profit, but to advocate.
As students listened to the inspiring statements from their seniors, they were encouraged to be determined and resilient. The students, however, advocated that opportunities be made accessible to them, especially with fees, accommodation, and scholarship opportunities. SLBC News, Stella Bangura reporting.
The founder and student of SNAPTech Institutes have called on government and other partners to support their institutes with teaching and learning materials, as they have been complementing the government human capital development drive by impacting youth with technical and vocational skills. They made this call during an orientation ceremony for the new batch of students admitted into the institute. Esther Susanette Bassi reports.
The event marked the beginning of what promises to be a transformative journey for students pursuing hands-on technical and vocational training in a wide range of industries. The event featured speeches from staffs and officials invited to grace the occasion, who shared insights on the importance of vocational education and how technical skills can shape the future.
We are a learning institution. In other words, you understand exactly where I'm coming. We are not here to discuss about soccer. We are not interested about who is going to win next elections or who has won. Okay? We are not here to discuss colors. We are here specifically to learn. To learn based on what you are guided upon, to learn. If you have any other discussions, that takes us to our rules. We have a lot of rules.
In a compelling keynote address, the National Secretary General of Tech and the Principal for Women in Action, Usman Toure, urged the students to focus on their personal growth alongside their technical training, highlighting the dangers of negative peer influence, encouraging them to stay focused on their goals and choose their association wisely.
And we've now come to a world where we are talking about technology, and thank God SNAPTech is a technological institution, that your records will be everywhere. If you have misbehavior and then you want to transfer to this other institution, your record will be there. Nobody will employ you. Your friend, Salimatu or Almami, is also good in graphic. Make Almami your friend. Is that clear? And also, don't underestimate anybody in this journey. You might be good here in class, but when you graduate, the person that you are underlooking may be the person that has the opportunity out there. So don't underestimate anybody here. See everybody as your brother, see everybody as your sister. If you have the privilege now to help them. Because you never can tell who will help you out there tomorrow.
While students at SNAPTech Institute expressed optimism and gratitude for their new learning opportunities, they also raised concerns about some of the challenges.
Because I've been doing things now that I was not been doing before. This institution is really struggling. For instance, there are not enough school material, learning materials, talking about computers.
The CEO and founder, SNAPTech Institute, Abdulrahman Conte highlighted the challenges, successes, and experience so far since its establishment in 2007.
These are some successes so far again, but for challenges, we have a lot of challenges. One of our challenges is the accommodation. Started for the past 15 years, we were initially operating at the government photographic unit 2007, 2008, 2009. But I believe it is my passion. I want to make sure this institution be established because the things we are doing, the courses we are offering here is
SNAPTech Institute is a reputable institution whose mission is to create an enabling educational environment and motivational entrepreneurship for youths to enhance meaningful contribution towards national development. SLBC News, Esther Suzanette Bassi reporting.
And it's our time for the business updates.
Hello and welcome to Business Updates, the segment that brings you insight in business and its contribution towards positively impacting the economy. I'm Moses Conte. In today's edition, Bank of Sierra Leone ends training on cybersecurity and more. The Banking Supervision Department, Bank of Sierra Leone, has concluded a seminar on cybersecurity awareness, enterprise risk management, and credit risk management guidelines for commercial banks in Sierra Leone. This event was held at the bank complex in Freetown. Let's join our colleague, reporter Abraham Samoa, who was there and sent this report.
The seminar brought together board of directors, managing directors, and other senior management of commercial banks. The engagement explores three critical areas: cybersecurity guidelines, enterprise risk management, and credit risk management. Director of Banking Supervision Department, Bank of Sierra Leone, Mohamed Sajoba, said the seminar was timely, given the rapid evolving regulatory and operational landscape, stating that the seminar was designed to equip commercial banks with right insight tools and best practices necessary to navigate challenges and seize the opportunity for innovation.
Today, we'll explore three critical areas. One, cybersecurity guidelines. This will address key provisions of the guidelines, regulatory expectations, and best practices to secure a stable financial system. Two, enterprise risk management. This will highlight how we should foster and integrate strategic approaches to identify, access,